Is the process of creating a compelling YouTube thumbnail an uphill battle, leaving you feeling overwhelmed? Fear not, because we have the perfect solution to simplify your thumbnail creation woes. Hey there, welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorial. This is your go-to channel for tips and tricks. Today, we have something really exciting to share with you. Well, get ready because we're about to show you how to create stunning website thumbnails using the power of Adobe Firefly Beta. It is an AI-powered design tool that can elevate your web design game to new heights. Let's get it on. Adobe Firefly Beta is an innovative AI-powered design tool developed by Adobe. It aims to provide users with a seamless and intuitive experience for creating visually captivating designs, including YouTube thumbnails. Firefly Beta combines the power of artificial intelligence and design algorithms to create unique and eye-catching compositions that can enhance your web designs. This aims to provide users with a simplified and streamlined design process, allowing them to create visually stunning thumbnails without the need for complex design softwares or extensive design skills. By combining the text-to-image, generative fill, and text effects features, users can unleash their creativity and elevate the visual appeal of their YouTube thumbnails. In this tutorial, we're gonna be exploring the three amazing features of Adobe Firefly Beta, which is text-to-image, generative fill, and text effects. So let's dive in and discover how these features can help you create captivating YouTube thumbnails. Alright, let's get started with Adobe Firefly Beta. So you'll need to sign up first or register if you don't have an account in Adobe. So you're just gonna follow the steps and put your email address and then your password, and then you'll be able to receive a code for this so that you'll be able to proceed. And the first feature that we're gonna be talking about today is the text-to-image feature. So this feature allows you to transform your text into visually engaging images directly within the tool. With text-to-image, you can add personality and creativity to your thumbnails by turning your text-based titles or keywords into eye-catching visual elements. You'll just need to simply select the text-to-image tool, type in your desired text, and watch as Firefly generates a variety of unique image options based on your input. You can then choose the image that best represents your content and style, and also you could create more by giving your thumbnail an instant visual impact. Moving on to the next important feature, we have generative fill. So generative fill is where the real magic happens in Adobe. So it leverages the power of AI algorithms to automatically generate captivating designs for your thumbnails. This analyzes the patterns and shapes, so generative fill creates intricate and dynamic compositions that catch the viewer's eye. You can customize the output by adjusting various parameters such as complexity, color palette, and shape patterns. So this allows you to fine-tune the design to match your branding and create a unique composition that stands out from the crowd. Now let's talk about another feature in here. It is the text effects. Adobe Firefly Beta offers a range of text effects to make your thumbnail titles and keywords stand out. With text effects, you can apply different styles such as gradients, shadows, and outlines to your text, giving it a professional and polished look. Experiment with various effects, fonts, and colors to find the perfect combination that enhances your thumbnail's visual appeal and draws attention to your content. In summary, here's how these three features work together in Adobe Firefly Beta to help you create amazing YouTube thumbnails. So first, you can use the text-to-image feature to transform your text-based titles or keywords into visually engaging images. Then with generative fill, you can automatically generate captivating designs that catch the viewer's eye. Thanks to the power of AI algorithms, finally text effects will allow you to apply professional styling to your text, making it stand out and adding an extra layer of visual appeal to your thumbnail. By harnessing the power of Adobe Firefly Beta's text-to-image, generative fill, and text effects features, you can take your YouTube thumbnails to the next level and attract more viewers to your videos. The tool empowers you to create visually stunning designs without the need for complex design software or technical skills. Imagine you're an aspiring designer working on creating a YouTube thumbnail using Adobe Firefly Beta. So you've been sitting in front of your computer for hours, but you're experiencing a creative block. Your mind is blank and you're struggling to come up with unique and visually captivating ideas for your design. This is where the Get Inspired feature in Adobe Firefly Beta comes to the rescue. You decide to explore the feature, hoping to find a spark of inspiration. As you access the Get Inspired section, you're greeted with a curated selection of design examples, ranging from stunning compositions to striking color schemes and an innovative typography style. You start browsing through the collection and suddenly your mind begins to buzz with ideas. So this will help you by igniting your creativity and pushing you to think outside the box. You notice trends, innovative techniques, and unique visual strategies that you hadn't considered before. So this serves as a catalyst for your creative process. You gather inspiration, take note of the design elements that resonate with you, and use them as a foundation for your own YouTube thumbnail creation. Whether it's the use of bold colors, the arrangement of shapes, or the clever integration of typography, you find yourself infused with fresh ideas and newfound motivation. By this, you'll be able to overcome your creative block, discover new design possibilities, and produce a visually captivating YouTube thumbnail that represents your content and attract viewers. So if you're already inspired using that feature, you can already proceed with the 3 features that would be really helpful in creating a YouTube thumbnail. Congratulations! You just learned how Adobe Firefly Beta's features can help you create captivating YouTube thumbnails. Remember, thumbnails play a crucial role in attracting viewers and enticing them to click on your videos. With the power of Adobe Firefly Beta, you can unleash your creativity and make your thumbnails truly shine. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out our future web design tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy designing. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!